This I have my new pet. Actually I buy for dumbo rat, but I don't know this one is dumbo rat or not. The one is quite funny, no hair. Another one have hair. They still like a little bit like baby, because just open their eyes. The seller tell me, she tell me that just open the eye, not too long. And I brought from her is 50 baht per one, but actually look like a, I don't know, before I had the, what you call, the snake is Burmese python. That one like to eat rat, something like this, but the white one and white color and the eyes is red. But this one is look like that, but I not really know how different when they young. I know just dumbo rat when they grow up they will more bigger, like maybe around it's quite around here, something like that, but it's still baby. I don't know that what she tell me, but she tell is dumbo rat. I heard some about them, like they are clever, they can train, they are clever than others rat, other mice, or something like some small look like rat, something like that. I will try. If just not bite me, she's okay. But I will scared if they bite me, and I not want they be here. I don't want they are here if they bite me. My mom tell her disgusting. But it's quite funny, but I like this one clever than another one. I try already. The first when I put them in the case, and when I open, the first one will come out will be that one, the skin. The hair will slow than the other one. Not have really name, but sometimes I just call like what they are. Like this one I call their skin. I call he or she skin. I don't know, skin. This one is a hair, skin and hair. Not have really name.